Hello doll. Today's After Effects video is about making an attractive and beautiful background. This background is made without using any kind of plugin and in less than 5 minutes. You can get the desired output by making changes in the settings of the used effects. I hope you like this video. Come and watch it till the end. Like the video is your support for the channel. Thank you. Create a new composition called Main. Draw a desired line by selecting the pen tool. Open the sublayer Shape Layer 1. Click on the Add button. Select Repeater. Open Repeater 1 below. Make the changes according to the image. Open the Transform, Repeater 1 subsection. Make the changes according to the image. Open the Stroke 1 section below. Make the changes according to the image. Create a new adjustment layer. Look for the polar coordinates effect and click on Double. Make the changes according to the image. Look for the motion tile effect and double-click on it. Place the motion tile effect on top of the polar coordinates effect. Make the changes according to the image. Look for the 4-color gradient effect and double-click it. Make the changes according to the image. Search for glow effect and double-click. Make the changes according to the image. Now play it and enjoy it. Now, by making a small change, we create the second output. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, to see other tutorials, please subscribe and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.